Hi everyone, it's Courtney Hunt, your art and design librarian. I'm showing my face today just so you can get an idea of what I look like. So here it is. Today I'm going to be going over how to find an article in a database through OSU if all you have is the citation. So I'm going to stop my video and share my screen and then we will get started. Okay, so you should be seeing Google Scholar right now. Google Scholar is something that people ask me a lot about pretty often, which is why I'm showing you how to do this from Google Scholar. I am just going to emphasize that Google Scholar is one tool of many, and Google Scholar is not a library resource. So there are many databases within the library system that you should also explore in depth. But if you are someone who starts with Google Scholar and that's just the way that you work, I just wanted to start here just in case that was the case. So I'm actually going to do a search for Ruth Asawa, who's an artist, if you are not familiar with her work. And I'm going to scroll down to this article that I found earlier called Maker to Market, Ruth Asawa reappraised. So I'm going to click on it because I want to read it. Sounds like it's going to be really good. So here we have it, have the abstract, and we decide that we want it. I am already signed into the OSU proxy, so if I were to click on this PDF, it would probably take me to the PDF, but that's not what I want to show you today. Instead, I want to redirect your attention to information that you want to look for whenever you're doing this, whether you are taking citations from the bibliography in a book or another article that you found that was really useful and you're like scouring their sources for things that you might be able to use. But you always want to look for the volume, the date, and the issue. So I'm going to keep this open and I'm going to go to the library's homepage, library.osu.edu. And over here under the recommended links, we have the online journals list. This is such a helpful place to go if you are in the process of going through other people's citations and trying to locate articles that you want to read yourself. So what you do, and there are a number of different ways you can search, like you can search by DOI or PubMed number if you're looking for a medical paper, but you can also search by journal title. So in this case, I'm going to go back to our article. We're looking for the Journal of Modern Craft. So right here, I'm going to put in the Journal of Modern Craft and hit search. If you scroll down, you will notice that it is available from 2008 to present in Taylor and Francis Current Content Access. Depending on what journal you're looking for, there might be like a long list of databases here, but you always want to look at that date range and then cross-reference it with what you're looking for. So this one was published in 2015, so this should cover it because it goes back to 2008 and then it ends in our present day. Sometimes journals will have access to issues from 1930 to 1998, and then it'll be the journal will be available in another database from 1998 to present. So you just want to look at that date range to make sure that the database that you're going to is going to give you access to the thing that you're looking for. So then what you want to do is you want to click on that database, and it's actually going to take you to the journal page within that database. This is when you can start looking for that volume and issue number. So going back to our original information here, we're looking for volume 8, 2015. So here in the list of issues, we scroll down to volume 8, 2015, and then issue 2. So issue 2, Path Makers, Women in Art, Craft and Design, Mid-Century and Today is where we want to go. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to give us another screen. And then we can scroll down and actually look through the issue. And hey, there might be some other things that you would be interested in this issue, but here's the article that we're looking for. We can open that up by clicking on the title and looking at more information about it. Or if we know that we want to read it because we've already read the abstract, we can go ahead and click on that PDF and voila, there it is at your fingertips. You can download it with this button here, save it to a folder on your desktop or computer, and read it when you're ready to. That's it. That's really it. So if you have any questions or you run into issues, please let me know. I'm happy to meet with you individually to go over what I just did. And if you have any questions, please email me to at hunt.877@osu.edu. Thanks. Have a great day.